Hello guys, welcome to my Gadget Pro. What if I told you there's a camera that fits in your hand, but shoots like a $5,000 DSLR? The Sony RX1R III merged with ultimate pocket-sized bats, and no, that's not half. Today I'm breaking down why this tiny full-frame shooter is blowing minds in the creator world. Hey, it's Gadget Pro. If you are a student, traveler, or young pros who wants a DSLR quality without the bell, you will wanna hear this. The RX1R III is real. It's powerful and it might just be your unique big creative upgrade. And don't skip this video till then. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. We are talking about a full frame 35mm sensor in a camera that fits in your jacket pocket. The RX1R III brings 42.4 megapixels of insane sharpness, rich colors, and stunning in-depth of field. But for a straight photography, travel vlog, or content where quality matters, but size skills workflow. Stand-up point compared to the Canon R8 or Sony A7C, this thing means hard-on portability with sacrificing pro-level image quality. Built-in is a JE's 35mm f2.0 Sonar T-lens. Sharp to camera bokeh and no extra lens to carry. It's fixed, but that's the beauty. Optimized relative to zero dust and faster grab and ghosting. You want to shoot portraits for product shoots or just vibing in golden horse. This lens nails it all. Try getting this kind of battery day from an iPhone Pro Max, no happening. It shoots 4K video at 30 fps and the colors, sheep kiss. Pair it with a small mic and boom, you have got a pro level vlog ring with the visual brick size gear. Also crazy fast autofocus with eyes tracking. You are in focus always, even when you are moving. It's like having a Netflix level cap in your pocket. You get a crisp pop-up UV screen for top-down or long shoots. And Wi-Fi for instant sharing. And yet it's built like a tank. High-end straight shooter maxed with luxury feel. While others carry two lenses and a backpack. You are shipping pro shoots from your jacket pocket. The Sony RX1R III isn't cheap, but it's not meant to be. It's for creators who want to level up fast, stay lightweight, and never compromise on quality. If you are someone who wants a big camera energy, this is the best. So what do you think? Would you grab the Sony RX1R III or stick with your phone or micro lens setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like it if you are to guys to subscribe and the bell icon for more on gadget videos.